Hello everyone, I am Kazi Mahmudul Hassan Khaden from Civil and Environmental Engineering Department, North South University. Now I will show you the experiment of flakiness index. The aggregate particle have three types. One is rounded, second is angular, and third is the flaky. Now, what is flakiness index? Flakiness index is the percentage by weight of the particle in it whose least dimension is less than 3 by 5 of its mean dimension. Now, while we always avoid the flaky and elongated particle, first, flakiness particles tend to lower the workability. Second, they used to break up and disintegrate during pavement rolling process in bitumen mix. So we always avoid the flaky and elongated particles. Now I will show the apparatus required for the test. A set of sieve which is 63 mm, 50 mm, 37.5 mm, 28 mm, 20 mm, 14 mm and 10 mm, and last one is pen. A metal thickness gauge. The thickness gauge showing the width of the slot corresponding the consequent sieve. Weighing balance and the tray. Now start the experiment. Now place the sample here. Now sieves are put one over other in the increasing order from bottom to the top. The smaller sieve is placed at the bottom and the larger sieve is placed at the top. And here is the pen. Now place the sieve in the shaker machine for proper sieving. Open the sieve. First 63 mm sieve. There is no particle retained, all are passing. Now 50 mm sieve. Here no particle is retained, all are passing. In 37.5 mm sieve, this is the retained particle. In 28 mm sieve is the retained particle. In 20 mm sieve and 14 mm sieve, only this sample, and the 10 mm sieve. The material that passed through the appropriate slot of gauze is said to be flaky. The flaky material that has passed through the appropriate slots of standard gauze for each size of range of the test aggregate are added up and weighted. Now we will perform the 37.5 mm retained particle, which is passed from 50 mm sieve and retain it in 37.5 mm sieve. Now pass the aggregate in thickness gauge. This is the flaky particle. flaky particle and retained particle collect separately. This is the flaky, it's not flaky. This is the flaky particle and this is retained particle. Now write it separately. Now write the flaky aggregates. This is 276.5. Now measure the retained particles. This is the 446. Now test the all sample aggregate in same procedure.